and gentlemen, you are welcome to this memorable occasion. An occasion so sweet that I'm already in love with my in-laws. You can see the way I'm dressed now, different from my family members. I'm already dressed in the Yoruba fashion. That shows I'm already a part of the Yoruba already. You are very much welcome once more, and I hope we will live to remember today, because we know that whatever you came for will be a success. We hope you won't treat our daughter when she comes home, and hope that everything will always be according to plan. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you very much, thank you very much, thank you very much, sir.
Sylvia, you can't keep postponing this. You would have to go out there. Everyone is waiting for you.
I can't do it. I can't go through with this. No way.
Look, I understand. But every bride goes through this on her wedding day. It's normal. You will have to pull yourself together and then we'll go out there.
I thought I could do it for the sake of my mother, but right now, hey, I don't think I can spend the rest of my life with that man.
Sylvia, what is this? Are you trying to cause a scandal?
I don't care. Ekaite, did you see that man's stomach? Samuel, it's disgusting. There's no way I'm spending the rest of my life with that man. Over my dead body. Wild horses will not drag me out of this room.
Didn't you see the stomach before you agreed to marry him?
How many times I have to tell you I had no choice in the matter? My dad is marrying me to that man by force just because he wants him to clear his debt. My dad owes him like 1 million naira or something. And now I'm the scapegoat. What am I now? I'm only 19. Do I have a choice?
And so what choice do you have now but to go out there? Do you know how much this wedding is costing your family and that of Chief Balogun?
Well, I have one choice right now. And you're going to help me.
How?
Well, you just go out there as the last bride while I escape. Okay?
What do you mean escape?
Exactly what the word means. Escape. Like, you know, abscond, vamoose, run away from here. I'm not spending the rest of my life in the harem of Chief Balogun or whatever they call him. No way. Wait. I'm doing it right now.
Sylvia, wait! Sylvia! Oh my God.
Sylvia! Where is Sylvia?
Auntie,
Then you go now and speak. What is all this Talk now, my dear.
she just ran out of the house. She said she can't marry Chief Balogun.
She can't marry Chief Balogun. You can say, see what else? Now I said it that one day this girl is going to kill me. No time for lamentation. Quickly, let's try to find her. Please, let's go. This girl. How are we going to delay the ceremony? Already they are suspecting. This is no time for questioning. Let's go and look for her. I say we delay them. Please try. Just go. Let's know why you're doing.
It's really unfair.
What is Melissa? What's going on?
There's a slight problem.
Slight problem?
Yes.
What is the problem?
Etienne. Oh, Sylvia is gone.
Gone? What do you mean by that?
Just like you told me to. I went to know what is keeping her out. Only to find out from Ekaite that she ran out and she said she was never...
Mayen, what nonsense are you bringing out from your mouth? Do you understand what you're saying? Do you understand? How can you stand here and tell me that rubbish? If you really love yourself, you better go and produce Sylvia now! Or there'll be help to pay for it. Do you understand me?
It's really unfair.
Bride, come out. And there is mine. Where's my bride, Bossy? You will pay for this, Bossy. Do you realize how much this ceremony has cost me? Not to talk of the embarrassment you have cost me. Bossy, coming all the way from Ogun State to be so humiliated. Look, let me warn you. You will not get away with this disgrace. I tell you, if you think you will dodge away from paying my money, you are joking. I will show you that only a foolish mouse dance in the arena of cats. The only of the entire Yoruba race. I will use both my federal might and international connection to deal with you.
Hey, Balogo, calm down. Honestly, Balogo, I never planned this. I don't have hand in what is happening. Just believe me, before God and man, I don't have hand in what is happening. You see, I don't know the devil that has taken possession of Sylvia and her mother. You see, they just want to bring disgrace to my family. But then all hope is not lost. You see, something can be done. We can put heads together and...
No. Cannot put heads together with a madman. That's what you are.
Why?
I cannot put them together with a mother who has connived with his family to cheat me.
Balug, it's not like that.
No, I will show you that in Yoruba land, we don't take this kind of insult lightly.
Balug, don't, Balugu, don't Bamu yet, please. Balugu, I am pleased. Hey, Sylvia. Oh, look, hey, my brothers, please. I don't have hand in this arrangement going on. Before God and man, I don't have hand in it. You see, I have not touched the bride price yet. If he desires, I can return them. You see, I don't know that I have a wish for a daughter who only wants to bring the disgrace to my family. See what Sylvia and the mother has done to me. I don't know that I have a wish as a daughter.
It's okay. No, I cannot stay here. Chief, I don't know. I can't stay here. It's all right. I cannot stay here and listen to the ranting of a madman.
Oh, but look, wait. If you want the bride price, I can return it. I have not touched any bit of it. You see, I don't know that I have a wish. They just want to bring disgrace to me and my family. Just look at me. Look at me.
How could I have planned this with Sylvia? What do you take me for?
Exactly what you are, woman. Exactly what you are. A lying, scheming witch, just like your daughter. Eh? Disgracing me before the whole town and before my business partners. I will never forgive you. I will never forgive you and your daughter. Do you understand me? I will never forgive you. Anyway, you have not heard the last of this. Now look around. How can I complete this building? How can I complete it? I thought by the time Balogu marries Sylvia, he'll be able to write off my debts with him. Then give me another money to complete this place. Now look at this place. How can I complete it? You are standing here asking me, how could I have planned it?
Eteye, why are you putting all this fault on me? Are you not the one that gave her away for marriage? And she was begging you that she wanted to go to university. But at the end, you said she must go and marry that old man just because you are owing him. Eh? Do you think she's a commodity, Dad?
Will you shut up? Shut your dirty mouth up, woman. Ah! Oh, what do you know about my business with Balogu? Eh? That is why you plotted with your daughter to disgrace me before the whole town and before my business partners? Yeah. I see.
Eteye, I have told her I did not plan anything with Sylvia. You should show more concern about the whereabouts of your daughter. Instead, you sit down here nursing your wounded pride.
You are very stupid for saying that, woman. You are very stupid. And let me tell you, your daughter can go and drown for all I care. Do you understand me? And what's more, I don't want to set my eyes on that girl, on that girl in that compound again. Do you understand? That is all I get for taking care of another person's child. Ingress, all of you. That is what you are.
Oh, it is not that you know she's not your child. But when you were giving her out into that slavery called marriage, she was your beloved daughter and the most beautiful child in the family.
Will you keep quiet, woman? Shut your dirty mouth up. And if you don't know how you flaunt this your dirty mouth, you will not only be banished from this compound, but from the whole community. Do you understand me? You idiot. Oh, get away from my face.
You know.
I'm okay, no? I'm okay, no?
Afi! I've been looking for you everywhere.
What do I owe this special visit?
What is my daughter?
How am I supposed to know where your daughter is? Look, if you have come here to spoil for a fight, I am not in the mood.
Afi, so you want to tell me that you don't know what is going on? My daughter ran away on her wedding day, and something tells me that she's with you.
Oh, so you think I'm hiding her in my pot of potion? And here I am, thinking that my sister had come to her senses and had come to visit me. Oh, I forgot. I am the town witch. Nobody's supposed to come near me. So why would your daughter be near me?
Sylvia is a very stubborn girl. And she insists on visiting you. Even when everyone knows you are a dangerous woman.
Dangerous?
Yes!
Because I talk to the plants and heal people with herbs? Or is it because I have refused to conform to what you want me to be?
Okay.
If I see Sylvia, I'll give her a big hug for what she has.
Do you know the trouble she has caused us?
Trouble? For you? Who? You or your husband? Is it because he has lost the opportunity of selling her off to pay?
Afi, Sylvia is my daughter and not yours.
Sylvia is our daughter. She is our daughter. Because you have denied me the opportunity of spending as much time with her as you do, doesn't make her your daughter. Look at you. You married that monkey. You could not stand up to Papa and tell him that you didn't want to marry him. The way Sylvia is doing.
For your information, let me tell you. You see that monkey? He took care of me when I was pregnant. He took care of Sylvia, kept food on the table, did everything for us in this house. Yeah.
It's high time I visited my father, don't you think?
What have you been telling my daughter?
Nothing that is not the truth. I just think it's about time she knew the truth about her real father.
Who makes you the spokesman in this matter? Sami, I've had enough of this.
Please.
Who are you? Who are
Mama,
you?
please, this is no time for quarreling. It's not the issue at all. I need to hear it from you. Is it true?
Sylvie, you are making a very big mistake. You can't just wake up one morning and say you want to go to Lagos. I don't even know whether your father is still alive or not. So?
Mama, my mind is made up. I'm sorry for all the pains I've caused you, but this is something I must do.
Oh! Sylvia and me. Oh!
Well, it's a lucky day, girl. I happen to know Chief Silas a bit, and I'll deliver it to him safe and sound.
Thank you, sir.
He stays at Lake Peninsula. I'll do anything for a beautiful girl like you. You know? What did you say your name was?
Sylvia.
Beautiful name.
Is this the house?
No, not exactly. It's a guest house. Actually, I was wondering if we could, stop and have a drink, have a nice time. I'll take you to Silas's house later. You know. Now, I expect you to be a good girl and
Excuse me.
you know what I'm talking about. I'll take you to Silas's house later in the evening. So let us stop and have a nice time, alright?
Excuse me. What's that?
Let's just go inside, have one or two drinks.
Take me to Silas' house. If you're not taking me, you
I'll
leave me
take you to Silas's house. Oh, what are you doing?
Leave me alone.
What? You slapped me? Get out of my car. Get out of my car, you whore! What were you looking for on the street if not for some guy who will give you a good time? Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! I mean, cock and bull story about looking for Mr. Silas. Who's Mr. Silas? Who knows? Shut my door! Get out of the car!
Now wait.
Please, is this Broadway aluminium?
Broad what?
Broadway.
If they send you for come from village, go tell them say you no see me. All these Ashewo girls where they waka the see the 5 person will go carry them.
No, see.
Una think say una get sense. Una think say una get sense. Make I tell you, you no get common sense.
No.
I be proper Lagos boy.
Come. Okay, wait. See, I'm looking for Mr. Silas. And they said that this Broadway, this is
Silas, come. Skilashi. Maybe you know Skilashi where they play ball. You no go come out here before I blow scatter your face with my koboko.
What are you doing here?
I'm looking for an address.
Whose address is that?
I'm looking for this address. For Mr. Silas Obi. They said he was here, but the gate man said, I don't know, and this is the address I'm looking for. So.
But this is not Silas Obi.
You still there yet? You never go. Okay, what do they follow this girl they talk?
You know her?
Now all these Ashewo girls where they walk out the street.
No,
Come,
no.
make I tell you, if you define customer, now that junction you go get them.
Wait. Go inside. Forget about it. Go inside. Let me see the address.
I'm looking for Mr. Silas. That's all I want. This address, they said it was Broadway Aluminium. Now, I don't know.
Silas Obi, I know him.
You know him?
Yeah. He's living just other than the next street. That's
You're sure this?
Yeah, when you get to the next street, you will see one big gate like that. That's where he lives. Everybody knows him. Come.
Yes, I'll do. What can I do for you?
Madam, make no vex, ma. As I disturb you for this time. Now this guy say he gave very important message for Oga. He just the land from Calabar now.
What is this important message that could not wait till tomorrow?
Good evening, ma'am. I'm really sorry to disturb you, but I have a message for Mr. Silas Obi. And I need to deliver it to him personally.
And who the hell are you?
My name is Sylvia.
What's happening here?
I don't know who this is. But she says she has a message for you.
Who are you and what can I do for you?
Good evening, sir. My name is Sylvia. I'm coming all the way from Calabar. I have a message from my mother, Mrs. Maya Ekeng, for Mr. Silas Obi.
And why do you think a message from your mother would interest me?
It should interest you, sir, because you're my father.
I can't believe this. Mayen? Why didn't she tell me that she was pregnant?
Well, she said you left her with no choice when you disappeared without a trace, and my grandparents forced her into an early marriage to cover up the shame.
I don't believe this. When I went back to look for her, her father nearly poured hot oil on me and told me to get out of his compound. and that Mayan didn't need a poor man like me, and that she's gotten married the previous day to a man who has settled her and will provide for her things I couldn't provide for her at that time. You can imagine how hurt I was. And I didn't know where to look for her, knowing how antagonistic her parents were to me. So I had to pack my bag and baggage down to Lagos. Forgetting her was so difficult. But I had to put the whole incident behind me. Life goes on.
You don't believe me?
Of course I believe you. Maya would never lie about a thing like this. She had too much integrity. So I have no reason to doubt her. Oh, Mayan, denying me the joy of seeing my daughter for 19 whole years. Here was I, thinking that I was going to die without an heir. Then all of a sudden you appeared. Come, my dear, come, let me touch you. Come on.
I'm sorry to interrupt such an emotional reunion. Silas, it's way past your bedtime. And you know you have an appointment with the doctor first thing tomorrow morning.
I know, honey. But I cannot stand this excitement. It is not easy waking up to see that you have a grown-up daughter, is it?
It's not everything that you should believe.
Where have you been, Sylvia? We had to start without you.
It's okay, darling. I had to clean the kitchen first.
Now sit down, join us.
Join us?
Do you want us to sit on the same table with a house help and eat?
Cut me that out, Obinna. Sylvia is your sister, not some house help. And you must treat her with respect. Now, Sylvia, sit down and eat.
No, I'll not sit on the same table with a help and eat. Okay?
Look here, Obinna.
Stop it, Dad. I'm listening.
Dad, it's okay. It's alright. I'm not hungry anyways. I think I'll just do a bit of reading and eat later.
Margaret, warn your son. He's your son. And I've accepted him as mine. And
have you?
Of course I have. I married you when he was 6 years old. And I've taken care of him all these years. I provided for him whatever he needed. I practically spoiled that brat. What does he mean?
Silas, you created this problem. So you deal with it. Please, can I eat my food?
I thought I told you to wash the shirts for me. And what the hell happened? Nobody turns their back on me. Especially not some bloody house girl. Now, keep these shirts and wash them well.
I know exactly what you're up to. But I can assure you it will not work. Any attempt to frustrate me out of my own father's house will be highly resisted. I have as much right as you do in this house. That is, if not more. So be warned, I will not let anybody cheat me out of it. Don't! I'm mad?
Okay.
Where are you marching to?
Auntie, please, talk to Obinna. Warn him, I don't like...
Don't call my son's name. Is he your mate? Look, you better be very careful, you understand? I'm only tolerating you in this house because of Chief Silas. But if you think that you can come here and offend my son and destroy what has taken me so many years to build, then you are in for a shock. And you better watch your back, because I'll be right there. And I will stab you so hard, you won't believe what happened to you.
Patience, Sylvia. They don't hate you. They are only reacting to the change in circumstances. You see, many people react to change. My wife will come round. It may take a while, but eventually she will come to accept you. She's not a bad woman, I assure you. Now come. Come and tell me what you learned in the gym classes today. Stop being sad. Come on, don't be such a baby. Come to daddy. Come on, daddy. Now tell me what you learned in the gym class
What are you running? Come here. What are you? Stay there. Look at the joy of it. Joy of it. Do it. Stop it. Stop it. Please. What are you doing? What are you doing? Stop! Joy. Joy. Let me get you.
That's look at me. Look at me. Yeah, you're going to tell me for this. You're going to tell me about me.
You bastard. You will not get away with this, I swear. You to remain exactly the way I am till Daddy comes back. Then he'll know what an animal he has for his steps.
Well, let me have it all on that line.
Damn, that hurts!
Shit.
What are you doing?
What I'm doing? What I'm doing here.
What is going on here?
Mommy, look at what this witch did. Look at blood. Look at all this. Dad, look at this. Look at what that crazy girl did to me. Look at this. Look at blood all over me. See that crazy girl? She's been running after me over the house like she got in heat. And when I refused advances, she went crazy. She came after me to kiss me today. I slapped her. She took enough and came after me. Look at, she stabbed me. If I didn't put my hand in place, I should have killed me. Just look at this. Dad, look at all this.
Sylvia, if this is true, I'll be terribly disappointed that you will...
It's a lie. That's a lie straight from the pit of hell. Daddy, look at me. How do I explain the way I look? Obinna raped me. He beat me up and raped me.
Shut up!
Witch!
Silas, didn't I warn you? You don't just pick up any stray cat from the road and then who claims she's your daughter, you bring her into the house. Hey? And she, look how she's accusing my son. And she even used the knife to kill him, to stab him.
She nearly killed me. She nearly look at blood. Mom, she has to leave this house. Mom, she has to leave.
What happened?
How did I do wrong? Please just help me get my clothes from the backyard.
Things be washed. Of a lifetime, a fulfillment of my desire, a promise gone forever and ever and ever. And I'll shed no tears for love. I will not move. I am just a woman living for today.
Hello? Excuse me, do you need some help? Look, I question the wisdom of what I'm doing right now, but somehow it feels right, okay? I would have just gone back because I don't know you, who you are, or what you are. But I don't think I should leave you right here all alone at this time of the night. Okay, so if you just let me, I'm willing to give you a ride home.
I don't have a home.
Thank God you have a voice at least. Okay. So what's the problem? Look, I understand that you might not want to talk about it, okay, but I mean, we can at least leave this place. It's dangerous for a young girl to be out here all alone at this time of the night. Okay? Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on, I'll give you a ride. I don't know what happened to my car, but it just chose this spot to just park up on me and we will start. I think there must be some contact cord on the battery, but let's see how it goes. I don't know how we're going to leave here, but let's just hope it starts this time, okay? Well, 1 minute. Woo! You see? You probably good luck. Come here. Now let's see. Okay, I hope you don't do this. Okay. Okay, so where do I take you to?
I don't know.
Look, I'm not in the habit of picking up strangers, okay, but somehow my heart goes out to you. Okay. I understand you might not want to talk about whatever it is that happened to you, but you can at least tell me where you live so I can drop you off at home. Okay, it's getting late.
I don't know. And I don't care. drop me anywhere you like. You can drop me at the bridge, drop me at the graveyard, drop me anywhere, okay? There's nothing to live for anyway.
I think the accountant should be given a query. Because I can't fathom why you should let such a thing happen to my organic holdings. None of our accounts has been overdrawn for more than 2 weeks. But when the statement of accounts came, it showed that we had a debit balance of over 3 million naira. For God's sake, why should they? Michael, you're not listening to me. What's your problem?
I'm sorry, nothing, Mom. I have a lot on my mind.
Well, you should let company matters take top priority on your mind. For God's sake, you are the managing director of this company. And I don't know why you should let us overdraw more than... I mean,
Mom,
why should
I
you?
told you that there must be a mistake somewhere. Mom, I have run this company since I left the university. And I've done it efficiently. You said so yourself, Mom.
Yes, well, I
Mom,
don't know.
The accountant and I will sort this out. I'm sure it's just a minor problem.
If you say so. By the way, why are you still dressed like this? Aren't you going to be in the management meeting this morning?
Mom, the meeting is for 12. This is 8 a.m. Besides, I have some amendment to do on my report, so I might as well do it at home.
Okay, but please try not to be late.
Who can afford to be late with you as chairman? We don't want to get the 3rd degree now, do we?
Naughty boy. Almost late.
Okay, Mom. See you then.
See you. Bye-bye.
Oh, I'm sorry, sir. I thought you had finished.
It's okay, Justin. I'm doing some work upstairs in my room, so I'll take my breakfast upstairs.
Okay, sir.
Okay? So you can clear the table and then let me have that.
Okay, sir.
Okay, bring some coffee things for me upstairs.
Okay, sir.
I was wondering if you were ready to tell me what happened to you. It's okay. Doesn't matter if you tell me or not. I promise to help you. I still will help you. Okay? I'm going to talk to a friend of mine who's away with his family. He's going to be away for a while, so I'll ask him to let you use his place. Still will.
Michael! Michael, it's me! I want to collect the letter I gave you yesterday to sign.
My mom.
That's my mom.
Look, you have to.
Michael, open this door!
Mom!
I want to collect the letter I gave you yesterday to sign. I need it for the meeting.
Okay, Mom. I'll bring you along with me when I'm coming.
What took you so long?
I was just fixing something.
Fixing what? Go and bring it. Go and bring it.
No, I'll bring you along when I'm coming. I'll bring you to the meeting.
Okay. Why? Why are you?
Mom.
Wait.
Mom, there's no one there, Mom.
I thought Anne was there.
Oh, shit.
See you at the meeting. Bye, dear.
Yes, Mom.
That's it. You've seen it all. So you've seen it all. I hope you like it.
It's a lovely place.
Yeah. It's all yours now. For a while at least.
But I still can't believe there is no catch to this. I mean, everything's so
Oh, please
unexpected.
stop it, Sylvia. What's wrong with you? Can't you just learn to accept kindness?
No, it's
please.
I'm sorry. Thank you very much for everything. You and your friend must really be close. I mean, for him to let you use this place in his absence.
That's what friends are for. Anyway, I'm sorry, I have to go now. I'm almost late for my meeting. So. There's money in case you need to buy anything in the neighborhood. Alright? I have to go. Tomorrow we'll go out and buy you some necessities, okay? Enjoy yourself. Relax, I have to go now. Have fun.
Thank you so much for everything.
The pleasure is all mine, Sylvia. Look, I promised to help you, and that's exactly what I'm doing. Believe me, no strings attached.
I believe you. I just hope someday I'll be able to pay you back for everything.
Nobody's talking about repayments. Look, tomorrow I'll get you the books that you requested. Okay?
Thanks.
Get your stuff.
I'll do. Open it, me, Sylvia. How? How are you?
Sister.
How are you?
What happened?
Hey? No, forget it. It's okay. I'll do can. Nothing more.
Wait. Make I see. Wait, open that. What happened?
Can I see my father? Is it possible?
Chief don't die, okay? Now yesterday them do the burial.
What do you mean?
Billahi wa tallahi. We don't bury him. We don't die. We don't die safe. Billahi.
Die? Die when?
We don't die. Billahi. I don't know.
see this girl in this house anymore. Please, I don't want to be this my father.
They go,
I said you want to
they go, they go.
Where are you coming from? I've been sitting out here for more than 2 hours. 2 hours waiting for you. Worrying my head sick about you. Wondering what could have happened to you.
And who said you could watch over me? Because you're helping me does not give you the rights over me. I come and go as I please. Do you understand? So don't ask me where I have been. For you don't have an iota of an idea what I have been through. Do you understand? No.
Sylvia!
And just when I thought I had found my father, he's dead. Left me all alone to fend for myself. I didn't even have 6 months to spend with him.
To be here for you, and I will.
May not be an angel, I may not be the best, may not know the reason. My head is on your chest, your arms, in your arms, hold me like the bird you will fly away. Mortal eyes has never seen. We will live together, live in harmony. But I know that you and I, my love, were meant to be. In your eyes, I could see the love you have for me. Can't explain this feeling that I have all for you. All I ever wanted you to do, promise me forever. Doesn't matter now who is wrong, who is right. In life there are ups and downs. In matters of the heart, your arms, in your arms hold me. Like the bird you will fly away with me to a place mortal eyes has never
Oh. Okay. No, what? Okay, what have I done to deserve this though?
I made it. I passed.
Oh, you did. I knew you were going to make it. Of course. Now don't forget, who was your teacher? Hmm?
Oh, you. I had the best teacher. That's definitely.
You had to pass. That's so nice.
I'll definitely gain admission to Unilag. Definitely.
Of course, look at you. You're so happy. You know.
I'm happy.
Now this calls for a celebration.
Yeah.
So when do we celebrate?
I don't know. When it's convenient for you.
Okay, so why don't we go out later tonight?
No. I have a better idea. Why don't we just stay home and I'll prepare something really special for you. Because you deserve it.
I do?
Much more.
Okay, that makes me feel better. Okay, so if we're going to prepare dinner, why don't I go out and get some champagne?
That'll be good.
Okay. I'll be back in a jiffy, alright? Okay, I'll be right back. Give me 2 minutes.
Promise me forever. Oh, you always be with me, baby. Oh, never let me go.
It's just, hey, Michael, darling. Where have you been? I've been waiting and waiting.
You should have called to say you were coming. I would have picked you from the airport.
I wanted to surprise you. You know how much I love surprises.
Oh, okay. When are you going to change?
Maybe
huh?
when you're married.
Really?
I missed you so much.
Hello, Mom.
Hi, Michael. Welcome back. So, what have you been up to in my absence?
Well, this and that. How was your flight?
Not the same without you. I couldn't wait to touch down just to be with you.
Tell me about it.
Yeah. Johnson, I thought I told you I wanted a Diet Coke and not a Coca-Cola. You know I take nothing but Diet Coke.
Oh, I'm sorry, madam. I forgot.
You forgot! Auntie, can you imagine? He forgot. Gosh!
Please, I'm sorry. I'm going to change it immediately.
Honey, when we're married, I'll employ my own steward. Because I can't stand inefficiency. Johnson
just made a mistake. Johnson made a mistake. Please, you've only been here a few minutes and you're already making such a fuss.
Me? Your steward annoys me. I complain and that translates to making a fuss?
Children,
what?
Children, please. Michael, I think Anne is right. Johnson can be inefficient at times and you know it. We have to change him, you know.
Please, Mom, for Christ's sake, Johnson is a good steward and you know that. And complains over everything. I've warned her about this attitude of hers, but she won't listen. Please, look at it. She's only been here less than 1 hour. She's already throwing tantrums.
Me? Throwing a tantrum? What do you mean?
I'm not ready for this, okay? I'm certainly not in the mood for it. If you're feeling cranky this evening, I suggest that you go home.
Auntie, Michael has absolutely no right to walk out on me. I would not stand and take it. I won't.
And please, my dear, just come and sit down, okay? Come and tell me all about your trip. Please, forget Michael for now. Be a good girl. It's okay. So, how was the trip to England?
Look, Silva, you can't tell me that. Men don't just do favors for nothing, especially when it concerns women. I'm sure you're lying to me.
Oh God, I am not lying, okay, Buki? He's not like that. For Christ's sake, he's been taking care of me for over a year now, and he's never for once asked anything of me.
Really?
Yes. Yeah, fine. It sounds like a fairy tale, but it's the truth.
But it's really a fairy tale. Look at you. Beautiful in every sense of the word. Or are you trying to tell me that the so-called Michael is a monk or a eunuch?
He is nothing of the sort, okay? He's only engaged to be married.
Oh, really? This guy has been engaged to be married for over a year now, and yet he is not married. There's more to this than look very closely.
There is nothing to look at, okay? We're friends. That's all there is to it.
Whatever.
Change the topic. Well, tell me anything. Tell me, yes, your party. Let me hear it.
You're sounding as if you're really interested. Oh, well, the party is really going to be the bomb because all the top government officials are going to be there.
See, you need to dump this your good girl out and join me in painting this town red. Yeah. See, we have to go out there and catch some real cool guys who will shower money on us.
Thanks for the offer, girl, but I'll pass. That sort of life is not for me.
Well, don't say I didn't tell you. Okay? See, you're my friend, and I'm supposed to be linking you up on some good stuff happening in town. Apparently, you're the greatest slacker I've ever come across. See, very soon, just very soon, I am going to be riding my car. And be one, I will not be found moving around with any legless Benz chick. So find yourself a new friend.
Okay, footwear jeans can do a replacement.
What took you so long? Just to get something from the car?
Birthday. Birthday.
Oh my God, you remembered?
Oh, how could I forget?
Wow. Oh, this is lovely. I wonder what's in it. Let me see the card. This is beautiful. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You never cease to surprise me, Michael. Never. Sometimes I wonder why you're so good to me.
Maybe it's because I'm in love with you.
Wait, I thought...
Love does not fade.
I don't know what to say.
Then don't say anything. I just wanted to let you know how I felt. You know, I couldn't hold it anymore. I thought I should just let you know what I was feeling.
Well, I thought you'd never say it. The truth is, I'm crazy about you too.
That makes two of us then.
Michael Obiora, what do you think you're doing?
Oh, I'm sorry, I can explain.
Explain what? And who the hell is this tart?
Please, just keep your voice.
I don't bloody care if the whole world hears me. If you choose to caress this whore in public, then I can as well shout how I like, so don't give me that crap about being in public. Who is she? Michael, answer me before I go absolutely crazy.
Look, there's no need for all this.
Michael, what has come over me? What has come over me? Fine. What's happening? Do what? Anger, that bitch! Leave me alone! Michael, okay? Leave me alone! Leave me!
Sylvia, I'm really sorry. If I could have prevented that, I would. I'm sorry. I love you, Sylvia. Nothing will ever change that.
God, she's your fiancée.
She was. She was my fiancée. I can't marry her anymore. Not with the way I'm feeling about you now.
God, no. This whole thing is wrong, totally wrong. I don't need this kind of complication in my life right now. I don't. Why did we have to fall in love? It's so unfair. This whole thing is...
Life is not about fairness. It's real.
Don't worry, I'll talk to him.
Good evening, Mom.
And where do you think you're going?
Mom, if this is about what happened earlier today, I'm not prepared to discuss it. I'm sure Anne has filled you in on her actions. I don't have anything to say.
Don't you dare walk out on me, Michael. Don't you dare. Michael Okechukwu Obiora, I gave birth to you and you must listen to me. And listen to me real good. Now, I don't care what happened or what did not happen at the restaurant today. But I warn you. If you do anything to jeopardize the wedding on the 28th of next month, hell will be let loose. You've been postponing this wedding for one reason or the other. I've been hearing so many things about you going around town with this girl. I decided to ignore it. Because I felt it was one of those things. But Michael, you're going too far. Come 28th of March, you are going to wed Anne, and that is the end of the matter. Do I make myself clear?
Mom, you are not in the boardroom. If you want Anne so badly in the family, I suggest that you marry her yourself, because I certainly would not marry this bitch.
Michael.
Prince.
Michael! Michael! If that is the way you want it, then so be it.
Let me just sort this mess out with my family. I promise you everything will be okay.
Okay.
Okay, then I'll pick you up after lectures, huh?
To we're just friends and nothing more?
We are friends. But let's just say we moved on to another level.
I knew there was bullshit you were telling me about him being your benefactor and all that. I've told you, girl, men don't just do favors for nothing. There's always a price to pay.
Honestly, we were just friends. For real, that's the truth. But somehow, things kind of changed and we fell in love.
Love? Love? That word does not exist. Men are there to be used for what they can offer and nothing more. See, on a more serious note, girlfriend, you're my friend. I don't want you getting hot, okay? Whatever it is that Michael is doing with you, I assure you it is not going to last. Because people like Michael Obiora do not marry people like you and I. His mother is Tiffany Obiora, one of the most powerful women in Lagos. And his fiancée, Anne High Court West, the ambassador's daughter. A first-class speech, I must tell you. Tiffany and Anne's mother are best of friends. So I don't see Michael marrying a Syrian nobody. So you know my advice to you, girl. Eat his money, dump him. But please, leave your heart out of it, girlfriend.
And how come you know so much about his family?
Well, let's just say I move in their circle, but on a different level. I once dated Anne's father. And girl, the man sure knows how to settle. Who do you think furnished my apartment for me?
Jesus Christ, Bookie.
Oh, God. Please. Oh, please. Please, please. Don't even give me the Virgin Mary art. Mom will but know what you did last night. All right. Just come down from your fairy tale mansion and join me in the real world. There's a party happening in a Cola Meridian. And I heard it's going to be crawling with top shirts in the society. So, are you keen, girlfriend?
I bet you already know the answer to that question. Not on your life will I be found in such a place.
Well, I guess that's your lust. But don't come calling to me when your world comes crashing down.
Aware we were sharing this apartment with her.
When was the last time you saw her?
I don't want to see her, Mom. Mom, when are you going to realize that it's over between Anne and I?
So, Michael, you insist on cancelling this engagement and making me look like a fool before the haircut press.
Mom, I'm your son. Would you rather I was unhappy so you can save face amongst your friends? Mom, don't forget it was your idea in the first place that I get engaged to Anne. I mean, as much as I did not like her.
Michael, I can't remember you resisting so hard when I introduced both of you.
Well, well, she's a pretty girl, okay? And I said, why not? I can give it a go, but it's not working. Anne is rude, she's vain, she embarrasses me everywhere we go. Mom, there's no way I'm going to marry her.
Okay. Fine. I'm not going to push any further. Michael, you know you're my only son. And your happiness is my concern. So, when am I going to meet this girl? I mean, who is she?
Her name is Sylvia. She's a first-year student of the University of Lagos.
Really? Sounds interesting. So, why don't you invite her over for lunch? So that I'll get to meet this love of your life.
Oh, I will, Mom. I will. I will. I will prepare it, Mom.
Enjoy yourself, my dear.
I love you, Mom.
Well, I changed my mind and decided to call some good friends of the family. Since we're going to have an addition to the family, I thought it's wise to invite. Maybe your friend here should tell you.
Sylvia, is there something I should know about?
Michael, would you please take me home now? Not until we expose your sordid past for everyone to hear. Look at you. You think you're smart. Ray did not succeed with Obinna and his family. You think you can with the Obiaras, huh? No way, baby.
Michael, I owe no one here an explanation but you. Okay, but this is not the place nor the time for it.
On the contrary, my dear, this is the perfect place. And indeed, the perfect time. You see, we're trying to liberate our brother here from the trap you obviously set for him.
Excuse me, can someone please tell me what is happening here?
Oh, yes. That witch came into my house with this fantastic story about how she's my husband's daughter and caused so much havoc. She even seduced my boy and then turned the whole story around that, you know, this boy raped her.
That is not how it happened and you know it. Obinna raped me.
Raped? Me? Jesus. Polly, you know who I am. I don't need to rape her. For crying out loud, I can have any girl I want out there. Why would I want to rape this thing? Now, it just so happens that since you insist on painting this ridiculous story of me raping you, let me put everybody in the right picture of what really transpired. You see, this thing here seduced me, and naturally I fell. I mean, she's a charmer, you know that. I'm sure you found out. So we started a steamy hot affair under my parents' roof. And after a while, I did everything. Then I was like, why would I be dating something lesser than a help? So I stepped my foot down and I said, I don't want a part of this relationship anymore. She got crazy. And when she tried to seduce me again and I totally toned her down, the girl stabbed me. I'm telling you, Mama will bear witness. You remember I was bleeding like a pig that day. Now, if it wasn't for God's kind mercies, believe me, I'll be standing here and proclaiming His goodness in front of all of you. Pally, this girl does not deserve you. Do you know who you are? Some loose control. I see just because she's good in bed like you and I. It's not enough reason. This is
It's okay, I don't want to hear this anymore. Sylvia, let me take you home before I do something stupid.
Yo, Matt, that's safe now, okay?
What? Never said anything about it.
lying and Obinna is telling the truth?
What am I supposed to say when you conveniently edited so many things from your story?
Michael, I told you everything.
But the rape, you never mentioned it.
Jesus, Michael, do you know what it means to be raped? Do you? I was a virgin, for crying out loud. How do you just open your mouth and talk about such a traumatic experience?
What happened to trust? Aren't you supposed to trust someone you say you love? So you don't trust me enough to tell me the whole story?
Has it ever come to you that maybe I'd rather not talk about it? Maybe I'd rather just forget the whole nasty experience and just move on with my life. Has it?
Oh, this doesn't add up, Sylvia. It doesn't add up.
In other words, you're saying I'm lying.
I don't know. I don't know what to think anymore.
In that case, I don't think we have anything more to say.
Guess you're right then. I can't stand this heat. I can't stand women who tell lies. And to think I almost gave up everything. Only to discover you're just another one of them. Out for nothing but something that you can grab, anything that you can grab. Loved you.
Don't talk to me about love. You don't know the first thing about it. You're preaching love. Look at you. The first sign of a storm, you come. Michael, what happened to our promise? You promised me forever. Where is it? Where?
Look, Sylvia, if you're thinking of how to pay your school fees and your house rent, I promise you that I will pay your fees until you graduate. But you have to move out of this place. My friend comes in next month. I assure you I will assist you with the rent.
You're nasty, man. First thing tomorrow morning, I'll be out of here and out of your life. Okay? I'll drop the kids with the gate now.
Look, Sylvia, it hasn't got into that.
Michael. Get out!
Where are you?
And I said, this is a must-have. It's simply fabulous. Gosh, my friends will be green with envy when they see it. Michael, even your eyes will pop out. By the way, don't you think we should fly to Milan together to get your suit straight from Manny?
No, I don't need an Armani suit to get married in, I told you.
Mom, tell him. I can't be wearing a Crescendio gown and he'll be wearing rags. Gosh, I just can't. Hello? Hey, okay, you know what, please, I am so sorry. I almost forgot. Okay, you know what? I'll be with you in 5 minutes, okay? Just hold up, please. Thank you, bye. Mom, I gotta run. This is a friend of mine. She's taking me to a caterer who makes fantastic cakes. She made a night entire cake for my friend, and she's gonna make 20 for me. So... Bye. Take care.
Bye. Anne is worse than a parrot.
Oh, that's a very nasty thing to say about your fiancé. Michael, I don't understand you. You're not showing any enthusiasm about this wedding. You don't even care. You don't want to participate in the planning.
Nah, they're best when they're planning weddings. Okay, so I'll let you and Anne take care of it. I'm sure everything will be planned to the tip. I trust you, Mom. Trust you. In fact, I should go get some sleep, really. So, good night, Mom.
Good night. Good night.
So girlfriend, look at me. Tell me, how do I look? Good enough to eat? See, are you sure you're not interested? Because I hear the place is going to be crawling with ministers, House of Reps members. This could be your chance, girl.
Maybe I need to beat it into you that I'm not the least bit interested.
Oh, but don't come running to me when you've run out of your reserve and you need money for handout. As of this girl, I am going out to hunt for who's got more money than sense. You know.
Frank Morrison?
Yes, sir.
John Obafemi?
Yes, sir.
Sheye Olua.
Yes, sir.
And Muki Ajayi. Now, if you have not heard your name, please indicate. Okay. If you didn't hear your name, that shows one of two things. Either you have not registered for this course, or you have not paid for my handout. So please, could you tell me what you are doing in the class? Even you, Cynthia Obi, I cannot see your name among those who have paid for my handout. I cannot see your name among those who have registered for the course. So, could you tell the class what you people are doing here in class? Okay. It looks like I'm missing something here. Looks like the federal government just introduced free education and I'm not aware. Yes, sir. You tell me? In your dreams only. Now get out of my class. Out of my class, all of you. When you're ready to come to school, you come and pay for my handouts and you pay for my course. Out of my class. Out! Get out of my class, you! Out! And those of you that are seated, that's better. I hope you're ready for my test. Get ready and write the test.
Listen, girlfriend, you know, crying is not going to solve this problem. I've told you what to do, but you won't.
Going to my house to seek for money is totally out of the question, for Christ's sake, and you know it. I won't, I can't.
Get real, girlfriend. Get real and find yourself a loaded sugar daddy. You know you have no other option. You know it. And I'm not going to pay your fees either.
I can ask you to.
I don't know what else to say to you, to convince you. Just... Wow! Girl, you look so gorgeous. I can't believe the transformation.
Okay. Isn't the skirt a bit too short?
No, it's okay. I mean, look at those legs. The ambassadors will be going gagas when they see you tonight, believe me.
I can't do this. No way. This is not for me. I'm sorry. I can't. Listen to you.
Your destiny is entirely in your hands. If you want to succeed in life, you need to take the bull by the horns. I mean, nobody gives a shit about you if you haven't got money. And you know the name of the game? It is money. Money talks, bullshit happens. So if you want to go far in life, you need to use what you have to get what you want.
But Buki, that is downright prostitution.
You call it prostitution, but I call it survival. I mean, if you can sleep with A, then you have slept with B to Z. It makes no damn difference. But the only difference is, for this one, you get paid. And you get paid real good. So, baby girl, the choice is entirely yours.
Okay. Let's do it. And fast, before I change my mind.
Are you sure you have all you need? Because the ambassador's driver will be here any minute.
I'm fine.
Where's your handbag?
I don't need a handbag.
I think you need it.
What for?
You're going to put the money in it. I'll put it. Put it on back. Were you giving birth in there? In there for us.
I was trying to see if I could wash his filthy hands off me. Oh! God, I feel so disgusted, so dirty, so violated. Jesus, I don't believe I did what I did.
So, how much did he give you?
How can you be talking about money at a time when I feel so violated? God, I almost threw up when that man touched me.
Oh, girlfriend, you can cry all you want right now. Because after this, you'll be smiling all the way to the back. Next time, just imagine this miracle.
How can you say that? I was in love with
Oh, please, girlfriend. Spare me this your love nonsense and get real. If you want to eat a frog, eat a fat and juicy one. Use what you have to get what you want. That's the rule of the game. So tell me, how much did he give you?
I don't know. I was too disgusted to count. No, he said 50 grand or something.
50? Not bad at all. For a start, it's not bad. Honey, you're about to enter the big league now. And that's why I made sure I gave you my guy, the ambassador. And as usual, my guy didn't disappoint me. So, baby girl, are you gonna see him after tonight? Oh, sweetie pie. Don't. Okay, just take a drop. I'll forget your sorrow. I don't want the drink.
Okay, drive now. Man, drive. Why are you crawling? You have a 10 o'clock lecture, for Christ's sake.
Relax, girlfriend. Even if you don't attend the class, record. After all, we settle the lecturers.
Whether we settle lecturers or not, it doesn't matter. I want to attend classes. For Christ's sake, we're in our final year. We should be able to defend our degree now.
Efiko. Please, leave that thing, Jerry, right here. Even if we come out with third class, we're still going to work in top companies if we so desire. You know.
You really need to stop thinking you can get favors with your body anytime, any day. Look, beauty will fade, alright? But with brains, we can always put food on our table. We have both, girl. So please, let us just make the best use of it. So people don't take undue advantage of us. Do you understand? Anyway, for me, I intend to be a success, okay? I'm determined to reach the peak of my career with or without the help of men. I have scores to settle with people, and we need money and education to do that.
Wow. Sounds like revenge, huh? So this is all about revenge.
Oh, Sylvia, you are so sweet. How can I ever let you go?
How dare you? What? How dare you call me Sylvia?
Okay.
Are you crazy? What the hell do you... Oh my God!
I'm sorry, okay? Just calm down.
Get your filthy hands off me, you fool! This is the last straw, Michael. It's
over. I am sick and tired of this nonsense.
It's just as well then.
What did you say?
Look, I think we should call off the wedding. It's not going to work, and you know it. We both know it. Look, I don't love you, Anne. I never did. And I never will.
Are you out of your mind? Nobody dumps me. I do the dumping. Michael, if you think you're gonna get away with this, then you've got another thing coming for you.
I don't believe you'll do this to me, Michael. You are a disgrace. Not only to me, but the whole family. How do you want people to look at me? Now think about the money. All the money we spent planning this wedding.
Everything is not about money, Mom. Everything is not about money. Are you more concerned about what people will say than your son's happiness?
Listen, Michael. You will be very happy with Anne. Why don't you just give it a trial?
I tried, Mom. I tried. God knows I tried. For Anne's sake, for decency's sake, for everyone's sake, I tried. It just isn't working. Honestly, Mom, at this point, I don't care anymore. You can cut me off the wheel, you can throw me out into the streets, whatever. But I just won't go through with it. I'd rather live alone than live with the mistake of marrying that girl, because that is what it will be, a very big mistake.
Then, Michael, I guess this calls for a more drastic measure. Because, Michael, I, Tiffany Uzamaka Obiora, will not have you drag my name in the mud. You will marry Anne. Yes, you will marry Anne. Even if it means me dragging you to the altar, I'll do that.
You mean he just walked out without saying a word?
Not a syllable, not a backward glance.
God. So how do you feel now?
How do you expect me to feel? Bookie, I can't. I don't know. I don't know, Bookie. I don't know.
I think you need a cigarette. What if he tries to see you?
See me? What for? No way. Last thing I want to do right now is see Michael. Because I can't face him.
Shit. I'm confused myself. I don't even know what to say. Of course, who else?
What? What is he doing here? Jesus. I've not been taking his calls. I've been trying to avoid him. Now you let him into the house. Why?
Girl, sooner or later you have to face him. So it might as well be now. I'm tired of dodging him myself. So go out there and see him so I can have my peace of mind, okay?
So, what can I help you with?
Can we go somewhere more convenient so we can chat?
And what makes you think I'm interested in having a chat with you? The fact that I have refused to take your calls or see you should have told you something by now. Michael, I am not interested in you. We'll never be. Do you understand? So please get out.
Sylvia, do not try to use hostility to cover the issue. What are you doing to yourself?
I don't owe you or anyone else an explanation about my life. Do you understand? I have a right.
Damn it, Sylvia, damn it! How can you do this to yourself? How can you stoop so low as to sell in your body? For Christ's sake, you could have come to me.
Come to you? I'd rather die than come crawling to you for handouts. Didn't you say I was only after your gold and silver? Eh? Look at you. Michael, look at you. You abandoned me when I needed you the most. And now you come here to preach. What are you preaching? What did you think? That I wouldn't survive without you? Sorry to disappoint you, sweetheart. I have survived. How does not count. What matters is I survived. And I will continue to survive. In other words, I will continue to sleep with every governor, every minister, and anybody else who has money to spend. Do you understand? And let me tell you something, sweetheart. If your father had the cash to spend, I would sleep with him.
My dear, you know how it is now. I'm so tired. No, my father's 2 years memorial service. Anyways, enough about me. So how are you doing, girl? Buki, this your Igbo husband wants to spoil you, Sha. So you don't want to go back to Nigeria again? It's not fair. Yeah, I guess I'll see you in the summer.
Issue that that's my stepsister told you about. Why don't you come and meet, okay?
Okay. I'll call you back much later tonight, okay? Alright, take care.
Sylvia.
How do you do?
Oh, no, I didn't get a chance to introduce you to my wife. You know, everybody was crying at the memorial service and all that. Joy, meet my stepsister, Sylvia. Joy, my wife.
Hello. Hi.
Well, don't mind, Barry.
And what could there be to discuss in private with you?
Business. This is purely business, and believe me, you'll find in this property.
Oh. Okay.
If you say it's business, then I'll give you my business card.
Sure.
Call me and book an appointment.
Sure. I will. I'll call you.
Nice.
Okay. So, basically what you're asking for is a 30 million naira loan to resuscitate your
Yes, literally. You see, my board of directors came together and decided that Sylvia Investment was the best company to approach as regards this. When I carried out a little investment, I found out investigations. Rather, I found out that your company, that you were sitting on top of it. So I was skeptical at first to approach you, owing to the fact that our last relationship wasn't exactly palatable. But on the other hand, I know your company specializes in mergers and buying up other small businesses. So I said, what the hell? After all, blood is thicker than water, like they always say.
Very convenient for you to realize that. As far as I'm concerned, we are not related. If you have a business proposal, let's get on with it and cut the rest of the bullshit out.
You know, they told me you were ruthless. I see they were not lying. As you wish. I know that if I might have offended you in the past, I'm deeply sorry. But it would be wrong for you to hold what happened between us against me. If I could turn back the hand.
Obina, please. I'd rather we left the past where it is and move on with the present, okay?
As you wish.
Now, for a 30 million naira loan, we'll need your collateral, which includes landed property, investments, shares in respectable companies, and that's it. So, are you game?
I won't be here if I wasn't. I know with 30 million I can literally change back the finance of my company in no time. And then I'll be able to repossess whatever collateral and investment I put down to effect this deal.
Good. We have a deal.
Are you serious?
Honey, I don't joke with business. Okay? I will have the legal department draw up the papers. But I want the original papers of your property, including the house you live in.
My house? Are you out of your mind?
Honey, 30 million naira is no chicken feed. So, are you still game?
Okay. I'm game. After all, here I will repossess my properties in no time. So, as regards drawing up a partnership contract, I would prefer we discuss that in a lighter atmosphere, shall we say, over dinner.
I don't think there's anything more to discuss. If you keep your own side of the bargain, then it's a sealed deal. But if you're asking me out to dinner, then my answer is yes.
So let's say 8 o'clock be in order.
Splendid.
Okay.
Have a nice day.
You too, my dear. It was good to see you again. I will see you. Sexy as ever. I'll see you later. So hey, are you sure you don't want me to come in? Just for a little while,
Not tonight.
Tomorrow, perhaps.
Good night.
I mean, are you out of your senses? Isn't it bad enough that you have gone and collected a huge loan from her? Now you say you want to dump your wife and marry her. Are you a lunatic?
Look, Mom, I've been having problems with Joy for a very long time now. That marriage wasn't working. And it was just a matter of time before things pack up for good.
Obina, you're a complete disgrace. I say a complete disgrace. You have run down all the companies, turned us into huge debts, embarrassing me all over the place. Now you say you want to leave your wife and marry who? Who? Obina, look, I know what you want to do. I know that thing you want to do. And let me tell you what, it's callous. It's callous. You know very well that you do not plan to pay back that loan. And you felt that by marrying her, she'll be more lenient.
That's a very wicked thing to say, Mom. I love Sylvia very, very much. And this has absolutely nothing to do with the loan I collected from her, okay?
Obina. Obina! You will not leave your wife. This is the last time we mention this topic. As far as I'm concerned, this conversation never took place.
Expect me to accept all what you're saying just like that?
Joy, you have no choice. I don't expect us to patch things up. It's been over between us a long time and you know it. Don't make me feel guilty about this.
He ought to be guilty. Because you know I don't deserve this. I can't live without you. I can't.
But you have nothing to offer me. Absolutely nothing. We've been married for 3 years now and you can't even give me one child. Not one. I deserve better than this. We quarrel every day, we fight every day. I don't want to live like this anymore.
He wants to leave me for that prostitute, right? The one everyone in Lagos has passed through? Have you no shame? So it is second-hand products that you prefer, huh? Are you out of your mind?
I don't want you in this house when I get back, you understand? I don't care what mother thinks. Contact your lawyers, I'm sending your divorce papers to you. I want you out!
Amina, please! Amina!
Hey, Mike, what's happening? Mike? Well, I see we're not in a shaky mood. It's all good. The brother's still a brother. Hey, I see that you've been how does it feel to see your ex-boyfriend after such a long time? I hope both of you have not been getting together lately.
Obi, I don't entertain such talk, okay?
Well, if you're going to be my wife, I have to know everything, right? Besides, Michael...
It's history. By the way, how far with your divorce papers?
Look, you know I'll hasten everything to just be with you. You don't have to worry.
Good, because I can't wait to be your wife.
Same here, baby. Same here.
What is wrong with you, Sylvia? I mean, who the hell do you think you are? What kind of game are you playing?
I don't see how my life is any business of yours, Michael. When will you get it into your head that it's over and done with us? When? You had your chance. You blew it. And now it's someone else's turn. What, you have a problem with that?
I have a problem with it because I still love you. I know you do too. Look, you're just trying to get back at me for something that was not my fault. Yes, I agreed I was wrong. I was stupid. I said I was sorry. Is there no place in your heart for forgiveness? I mean, look at me after all you did, after all you have done. I still forgive you. I wanted you back, waiting patiently all these years, only for you to go and pull a stupid stunt like that with Obinna. That was the same guy who raped you. What sort of character are you?
The sort you should avoid. Oh, so now you believe he raped me. Why? Why did you change your mind? Look, Michael, a lot of water has passed under the bridge. But what do you want from a fallen woman like me anyway? I loved you, you know. I gave you my heart. And what did you do with it? Shattered it. Broke it into pieces. And right now, there's no more heart left. It's empty in here. I don't care whom I trample on as long as I get what I want. Do you understand? So, Michael Obiora, if you'll be doing me a whole lot of favor if you leave me the hell alone. But there's no more us.
I'm sorry for you, Sylvia. Whatever it is you're looking for in life, I hope you find it. Good luck. Bye.
I warned you about this business, didn't I? I knew this business was going to flop. 30 million naira down the drain. How are you going to pay back this loan?
Look, Mom, chill. Everything's under control. Why do you like overreacting?
Overreact? 30 million naira down the hooks. And you say there's no big deal. Do you realize we have not only lost landed properties, but we have also lost this house that we are in? Do you realize we don't have anything? We've lost everything! We don't have anything!
Look, Mom, I told you relax. There's no big deal. What's the problem, for Christ's sakes? Losing 30 million naira is not the end of the world. I have everything worked out. Look, Sylvia is going to be my wife. And that means everything that's hers is legally mine too. So it's of no consequence if I'm in possession of the house or she is. Everything is already worked out. Don't worry.
I never knew how stupid you were until now. Sylvia's not a fool. That girl is out for revenge. And that witch has chosen to work with you because she knows that you're stupid enough to fall into her trap.
Look, Mom, I'm tired of all this. What is all this? All you do is rave and rant about everything. There's nothing I do that's good enough for you. You nag about everybody and everything. Look, thank God I found someone like Shiva that's ready to accept me for the man I am. Now if you want to sit here and rant and rave all day, fine. Is this real or am I dreaming?
You are wide awake, yeah? So it's definitely not a dream. Did you really think I'd marry you? If you believed that, then apparently you're more stupid than I thought. I knew you would squander that 30 million naira and never pay back, thinking you could use your charm to get me.
Well, sorry, darling. I'm not as stupid as you are. 30 million is not too much to lose. As long as I get my father's lands and property back. But honey, you know the sweetest part of this victory is reducing you to nothing. I give you and your mother 24 hours to clear from my father's property. The bailiffs will arrive tomorrow. And if by then you are not packed and gone, I won't be held responsible for what happens to you. Good day.
You're telling me good after ruining my life? Stop fucking up everything I work for! Good day! You fucking bitch! You bitch! I'll kill you! You're down! Shit! You said I'm going to die for it! Die! I'm going to kill you! You said die, okay? I'll make sure you die! I'm going to kill you! What are you waiting for? Die, you bitch! Come on, die! Get your hands up! Get your hands up! Let me kill the bitch! Let me kill her! Get out of here! Bitch! Bitch! I'm fine.
Get out! I'm sorry.
Do you want here?
Good afternoon, ma'am. Please, I'd like to see Michael.
What do you want to see him for? Haven't you done enough damage?
I'll be on my way. Thank you, ma'am.
it's a shame to live in this way. What is the price I'll pay? It breaks my heart again. Some things can never change. The things that cause you so much pain, I think it's just not fair. True love is never there. No one for me to share. No one to love, not to care. Shibby-dooby-dooby-wah. Tears for love. I will not move. I am just a woman living for today. You are a painful world. I know you. Oh Lord, it's a shame to live in this way. Oh, miserable world, the promise of a lifetime, a fulfillment of my desire, a promise gone forever and ever and ever. And I'll shed no tears for love. I will not move. I am just a
How did you get up here? And what do you want?
Johnson, let me in. Madam, please, I need to see Michael.
What do you want to see him for? Haven't you done enough damage?
Look, I'm sorry for everything. I really am. But I really need to talk to Michael, please.
He's not in. I don't know where my son is. No thanks to you. My son has taken to drinking. He doesn't come home anymore. No, nothing.
All I ever wanted you to do, promise